Nice stock Heritage. It's a 19 with only 949 miles on it. Thing was hardly ever used. Lovely shape. Of course, it's got the standard LED driving and headlight. This is a 114. Pretty much stock. Tell you what, all these low mileage touring bikes are not hanging around very long, and this is a really nice looking bike. And it's not even dirty, it's just a little dusty. Guess he took it out of his shed or something. It must have sat. But runs great. Service is going to go over it. If it doesn't have the 1K, they'll do the 1K, and this baby will be ready to retail. So if you're looking for a really nice pre-owned Heritage, don't wait very long.